Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete saved posts on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Saving all the posts frequently may look chaotic and unmanaged. Instagram allows you to delete posts you have already used after saving it. This way, you can make spaces for different new ideas and items to save further. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on the Saved. On the saved page, click on All Posts. Here, all the saved items will appear. Click on the three dots on the upper right corner. Tap Select. Select the post you want to delete. Tap Unsaved button. Confirm it by tapping Unsave. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.